So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Snapchat features are just missing on your iPhone or Android or whatever device you have. Now, what does this mean? Well, this basically means that your particular device maybe is missing out on some features on Snapchat that maybe you see other people have. Now, the main way to go and fix this for the most part is just to make sure that your particular phone that you have, you are up to date on your Snapchat application. If you are severely outdated on Snapchat, meaning you're like one or two versions behind, that can probably cause a lot of issues for your device, meaning it can cause issues for your Snapchat application. So what you're going to want to do here is you basically want to go ahead and make your way over to your App Store. So open up your App Store just like so. You want to click on the search button, and all you're going to want to do here is basically search up Snapchat. So search up Snapchat as you normally would. You should be able to find the application like this, and you're going to see a little update button right there. All you're going to want to do is update this application. For a lot of people out there, all you're going to have to do is just do this, and that will probably end up fixing the problem for you. And that's all I would have to recommend doing is just update the application, and that will end up fixing it. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, a reason why you may be missing out on some features on Snapchat is maybe that particular feature has been outdated or updated or released in your area or your country. That's something that happens all the time. But another thing is sometimes there are features within Snapchat that are only dedicated for Snapchat Plus. So if you are on Snapchat Plus, then maybe just then you can get those features. So in that particular case, you want to go and subscribe to Snapchat Plus, and you can do that by going into your Snapchat profile like here, clicking on Snapchat Plus, and you should be able to find it right there. So you can subscribe to it if you want to. You can see all these sorts of features that are available inside of Snapchat Plus that you can sign up for. So that's another option you have, but those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix this problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.